Hello, everyone. Welcome to Let's Learn English with Anna and Mark. I'm Anna. I'm your teacher today.
Hello, everyone. I'm Mark. I'm learning English with you.
That's right. This podcast is for beginners, for people who want to start speaking English easily, slowly, and clearly.
Yes, we will learn English together, step by step.
Perfect. Today we will learn greetings, numbers, days, objects, food, drinks, and daily activities. Ready, Mark?
I'm ready, Anna.
Great! Let's begin with greetings, how we say hello and talk politely. When we meet someone, we say hello. Say it with me. Hello.
Hello.
Good. We can also say hi. It's friendly and simple.
Hi.
Nice. Now, when we meet in the morning, we say good morning.
Good morning.
In the afternoon, we say good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And in the evening, good evening.
Good evening.
And when we go to sleep, we say good night.
Good night.
Very good. Now, let's practice a small conversation. Anna, hello, Mark. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you.
Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. Now, dear listener, it's your turn. Repeat after us. Hello, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Nice to see you. Great job, everyone. Okay, now let's learn numbers.
Let's count together, slowly.
Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, from 11 to 20. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Wow, that's a lot.
Yes, but it's easy when you practice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now, let's use numbers in small sentences.
I have one phone.
I drink 3 cups of water.
I walk 4 kilometers.
I eat 5 apples.
That's a lot of apples.
Yes, healthy apples. Now let's learn the days of the week.
Okay? 7 days.
Okay, repeat after me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Both Monday,
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday, Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
Sunday.
Sunday.
On Monday, I go to work.
On Tuesday, I cook dinner.
On Wednesday, I go shopping.
On Thursday, I read a book.
On Friday, I meet my friends.
On Saturday, I clean my house.
On Sunday, I rest and drink tea.
Sunday is my favorite day.
Mine too. Dear listener, what's your favorite day? Let's look around our home and learn objects.
Okay, things we see every day.
A chair,
A chair,